what are some of the biggest challenges that cannabis businesses face when they're trying to access financial services?
Well, the limit of it, one,
Okay.
right? There's a lot of people don't understand cannabis in general. You know, it's still where it's scheduled, right? It's scheduled like it's going to kill you.
Exactly.
It's a plant.
With heroin, yeah.
Everything else on that list is manufactured, is man-made, is ridiculously addictive, can kill you with one dose, right?
Right.
I listened to a podcast once. You'd have to smoke like 200 pounds of marijuana in an hour or something.
I think it's
overdose.
6.
Is it?
Yeah,
Okay,
it's really high. It's a really high number.
It's an insane number. So the limited access and then the high cost. You know, we're trying to build a lending program. We have a lending program. What I say by trying is there's a lot of people that need startup money.
Right.
Right now, with the way it's scheduled, there's no USDA money out there, no USDA guarantees. There's no SBA guarantees out there. And for a bank, when you look at risk profile, you'd love to help that small business owner that needs $50,000, $100,000 in a line of credit. But right now, for the auditors and our people that come look at us, we have to underwrite in a traditional way.
Sure.
So if you don't have hard assets,
like a house to put up,
or a building or cars or, you know, a big life insurance plan, whatever,
right.
It's hard to get that startup money. And we have some partners too out in the marketplace that we could send them to get them started.
Is that typically what it takes then for startup? Is $50,000 to $100,000 for a
it
small
depends
business?
on the person, but that's a typical ask, $50,000 or $100,000 on a line of credit. So that's why I use those numbers. But so access to capital is super difficult. It's either you have the hard assets, or you go to like a venture capitalist or a private equity, and you know they want to carve you out of your own business. It seems like most of the time, speaking out of turn, I guess, but you know, then there's the concern that a lot of people, especially the banks, have the cash management concerns. Oh, the money came from cannabis. Is the Fed going to take it? And you know, there's the imperial clause, the imperial amendment out there that protects from that a little bit, but you never know. Especially where we're going with the government right now, it seems like every other day.
Yeah.
A big change or a department shutdown or whatever, not to dive deep into politics, but it's like, it's scary.
It is.